Hi, my name is Teresa Maldonado Marchak, and I'm here with my friend Ilvia, and we are going to show you Bird Dog, which is a fantastic core exercise that is research-based. Okay, Ilvia, let's have you come onto hands and knees. Have your hands directly below your shoulders and knees directly below your hips, with your knees hip distance apart, so they're a little bit apart. She's looking straight down at the floor, and she's in a neutral spine, so you're a little bit rounded in the upper spine. Let's just find that, and let's bring the head right there. Beautiful, good. Now, let's reach right arm and left leg out long, along the floor. That's it. Good, you're gonna keep the back level, shoulder blade down. Now on an exhale, flex the foot and lift it as you lift the arm, keeping the torso, the spine still. Breathe in and out. I'm going to hold this for 10 seconds. Nice. And come on back in. Good. Go ahead and relax the foot. Good. Let's do the other side. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. And right leg, left arm. And notice how I have her keeping the top of the foot and the finger touching. She stabilizes her back, everything is level, and exhale, reach and lengthen away from each other. Notice I don't say lift because that'll usually promote a bent knee. This is great. Nice. She's holding everything really square and solid. She's not sagging in the spine. She's not sagging in her head. She's not bending that knee. And come all the way back in. Kudos, well done. Thank you.